Putnam with Plant-Based Putnams.
And I'm Paige Putnam with Plant-Based Paige.
We have decided to make this video series to share with others why we eat a plant-based diet and live a plant-based lifestyle. So the reason that I chose to go plant-based is because my parents both had some very serious health issues that were actually terminal for each of them in their mid-60s to mid-70s, and that's too young. So,
over the last 10 years, I have also been on a plant-based journey, but I've developed my own whys for why I am plant-based myself. And as I talk about in my cookbook, Plant-Based Snacks, Apps, and Desserts, I came up with an acronym for my whys. The acronym is HAY. It stands for Health, Animals, and Environment. These are all super important to me as I continue on my plant-based journey. And we'll dive even deeper into the health benefits of plant-based nutrition throughout this series.